Metals 100 at PDAC 2025. We're glad to have Gan-Ochir from Asian Battery Metals. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Pleasure for thank you and having us here, and pleasure to attend the conference in the first day and enjoying it.
Great. So let's start with a quick introduction. Can you tell us more about your company?
Of course. Asian Battery Metals is a newly listed company on ASX. We became a public company in last June. Our ticker symbol is AZ9. We are Mongolia focused exploration and development company looking for critical minerals in Mongolia. As Mongolia represents a great opportunity from geologically and also because it's closeness to the Chinese market, we decided to go into that direction. We have very experienced team operating our exploration and development efforts in Mongolia, and then also we have very good experienced board and management that has been doing business in Mongolia quite some years, so we are quite comfortable to promote the company. We do have a number of projects that are focused on critical minerals. Probably the most important one is oval copper nickel project, and then also we have copper rich copper gold project, and also graphite and lithium project. So at this stage, our flagship project is oval copper nickel project. So that's the discovery we made in 2025.
That's a great background. So what are the key findings of your project?
Oval project, we really developed that project from the concept level. It's a new discovery in a new district in southwest part of Mongolia. So if we're successful, we are potentially opening up in a big area for potentially successful district exploration down the road. In 2023, we have received $500,000 funding from BHP in the BHP Explore program, which is a global exploration accelerator program. So out of 250 companies applied globally, they selected 7 companies, and the Asian Battery Metals was one of them. Using that fund, we successfully discovered the disseminated mineralization in 2023 with a successful intercept of the 67 meters of 1% copper and 0.6% nickel, starting from 127. And then in 2024, we have discovered the high-grade massive sulfide component in our project. We successfully intercepted in our drilling what we call it this massive sulfide discovery drill hole, and that one was OVD 21. In that drill hole, we intercepted 8.8 meters of more than 6% copper, more than 3% nickel, and close to 1.6 gram per ton PGE plus gold. So it's a quite high grade, very interesting intercept. We are feeling that we are in early stage of the discovery, and probably our pathway to understanding the full extent of the mineralization and mineral system is going to come in next year or so. So we are ahead of very exciting period for the company.
Great. So your company is located in Mongolia, right next to the largest EV battery markets. So how do you think that this location benefits your company?
Yeah. Company itself is headquarters located in Perth, Australia. Our operations are in Mongolia, and being in Mongolia has a really big advantage in the EV space because China is the most mature market for EV and EV material and components that's used in making of those. And really, if you compare with North America and Europe, which are relatively infant level of development of infrastructure for EV, China has well-developed infrastructure and EV sales and all the distribution networks and also supply chain network, right? So it was logical for us to look for these critical minerals that are close to China, and Mongolia represented this opportunity with its complex geology and underexplored nature. So it's potentially giving a higher chance of the discovery. So we decided to start the company roughly 4 years ago and work in that regard. So as you pointed out, there's definitely a competitive advantage in logistical point of view, and also in accessing funding and getting technologies that are available in China and transfer it to Mongolia.
Perfect. So what are the plan for your company to securing the additional funding for your projects?
We have raised $6 million Australian last year, and we just announced and completed raising of $4 million Australian this year, like last week. So we are well funded for 2025. We're going to have a phase 3 drilling program starting in this month. And then, of course, we are fully funded for the rest of the year.
Looking at the market, how do you going to assess your company's current valuation? Do you think your stock price undervalued?
Our stock price, well, in my opinion, market really defines, what's the company's value is, right? So given the opportunity that we actually present as a company, located next to the largest EV market, with a company management and board that has many years of experience in operating in Mongolia, and very highly promising projects with early stage of the exploration discovery and potential to access the market and technology from China to develop these projects. I think Asian Battery Metals presents a great opportunity and great proposition for the investment. In 2025, we are going to have a 2 phase of drillings, and it's going to be very instrumental for companies' potential valuation based on the exploration results that are going to come out from these activities, including drilling, aggressive drilling, extensive geophysical work, including ground electromagnetic survey, gravity and magnetic survey.
Perfect. So how do you see the EV markets evolving in 2025?
Well, EV market has been developing quite steady pace. EV material market is, as with any commodity markets, goes through up and down. But I see it's a great opportunity for us and the companies who works in this space to consolidate the positions, and then with exploration and development further, this is the opportunity when the further advancement in the EV market comes in the region, Asia Pacific region, and also in globally. So I think it's a good time to invest because it provides potentially a good valuation basis with current condition in the market.
Interesting. That's a great discussion with Asian Battery Metals. Thank you so much for your time, Gan-Ochir. Hope you enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Yeah.